Hey, my name is Vanessa Black, and I am so excited to connect with you here again and to dive into a very, very important book, an impactful book that it's been to myself as well as those that we have read it with inside of our inner circle, and the information in here that has been impacted so many people's lives all over the world. So, before I get into the exact book, I'm going to share with you a little bit about my story and being introduced to this system, to this, if you want to call it language, to this tool, this powerful tool. And if you know me and you know the books that I've read so far in this channel, in this playlist, you'll know I am diving into all books that are in alignment with helping you to achieve and empowering you to achieve that personal freedom in your life, giving you the tools, giving you the information, the knowledge that has impacted me in my life. A lot of these books in the playlist here have impacted me tremendously, transformed my entire way of thinking. And I've been able to practice through the past decade or so many of the books that I've read here. And that's why I want to read them, so that you can actually listen to, you can purchase the book as well, listen and read at the same time, and then begin to practice and implement the knowledge and see how it serves you. It's absolutely has served me, and I know many thousands, hundreds of thousands of people all over the world, these books. Some like The Mastery of Love, The Voice of Knowledge by Don Miguel Ruiz, The Mastery of Life, Don Miguel Ruiz Jr. We have Courage is Calling by Ryan Holiday, Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. I know I need to put that into the playlist. We read it in our inner circle, but I didn't actually read it out loud to add to the playlist. The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. As you can see, a lot of Don Miguel Ruiz books. Eckhart Tolle. Those books have led me to achieve personal freedom in my life and given me the tools that I can implement every single day. And something that I ran into recently, okay, almost a year and a half ago, is an incredible tool that absolutely took my awareness to a whole nother level as well, about not only myself, but my family, my wife, Isabel, and all friends and people that I meet now. I can see in a different lens, in a different perspective, and have, some more awareness when it comes to just people and human beings and who we are. So this tool is called Human Design. It's a human design system. So it is super powerful. It's a system that was created by Ra. Okay, you can do your research and find more about it. This is an introductory book that I'm going to dive into. I'm not going to read probably the whole entire book, but I'm going to guide you to the most important parts. But you can also purchase your book that you'll see in the description of this video and go get the book so that you can dive deep into your chart. I'm also going to put a link where you can calculate your specific human design. This is not like a lot of these personality tests that are out there. It is completely different, so much depth, so much truth that you'll be able to see. It's not something that I have to convince you of. Nobody had to convince me of this. Is it true? I was able to experiment. I was able to read different charts that people that I knew and myself and be like, wow, this is powerful. So what you're going to need to calculate your specific human design is of course, your name, your birthplace. So where were you born? This is very important, this piece number 3. Okay, you need to get exact birth time. So take a look at your birth certificate. Okay, if you have to go reach out to your parents or someone that has your birth certificate, go ahead and do that. Right now, stop this video, go ahead and do it. You can even calculate it with the link below that you'll see how to calculate your own unique chart, your human design. And then we're going to dive into the depths of it so you can start to experiment based on it. This tool, this language, this system has allowed me to understand that there's not just one way that is the right way to make a decision, or the one way that is a right way to be or to achieve a result. There's several different ways depending on your own unique human design. What may be great for me may not be great for you. And that is something that I really have understood when diving into human design. And it allows me to understand others in such a greater light. Not only give grace, but see and be able to communicate with them better so that they can be more empowered and they can heal and they can feel great and alive and can see clearly. Okay, this is a tool that has healed many people in so many different ways because it'll also allow you to share what environment is the best for you to be in, where you feel most alive, where your body is just in alignment. You are in alignment. This system allows you to have greater awareness in how to make decisions that's best for you based on your authority that you'll learn. Some people should make decisions quick by listening to their gut. Others are more emotional, so it might take them a longer time and they want to wait until they're clear enough to make a decision. Because if they make a decision out of spontaneity or too quick, it could be the wrong decision. But with this awareness, you now allow yourself to be like, okay, I wasn't wrong. I'm not pressured to make a decision quick, and owning that power. A lot of this that you may, if you're already living in alignment, that's amazing, because I was living a lot in alignment, but this still helped tremendously. So it also reaffirms so many things that you might be living already, and you're like, wow, okay. And you even stand in that so much stronger and become more sensitive to the environment and the people and the places and the things that are surrounding you. It also helps with your digestion, understanding how you digest food, how you consume not only food, what you're consuming, it may be affecting you in a great way or in a negative way. You're gonna be able to experiment with these different things, once you understand and then begin to have that greater awareness for yourself. So I'm super pumped. Okay. That's what I've been doing the past year and a half. That's why I haven't been doing any new Read With Me books. I've been super obsessed with just diving into this, understanding this better so I can share it with you. And the first way that I want to do it in this channel is through this book. Okay. I'll share with you also some voices on Instagram or YouTube that you can check out, listen to get more information that I've been listening to and dive deeper into it. So I'm super pumped, super excited. And what we're going to dive into today, okay, and we'll check it out in the next video, is the Human Design Workbook, okay, by Karen Curry Parker. You'll be able to get it in the description link below. We'll put it there for you so you can go get it. In our Amazon store, we have all the books from our playlist there, so you can easily get them under each of the playlists. But this is a step-by-step guide to understanding your own chart and how it can transform your life. It says start with this book. Start with this book. She is on Instagram as well, Karen Curry Parker. And I'm going to read a little bit about the back here, about the author, and a little intro in this video. And then we'll start in the next videos diving a little bit deeper, okay? All right, so let's do it. I'm so pumped to be back again. This may or may not be, this may be the last book I personally read on this channel, unless I feel called to read another book. Just because I'm going to be starting my own personal channel where I'm going to not just do reading. Okay, this is the Read With Me channel where Isabel reads a book on financial freedom. She has already started a new one already. Super awesome. Go check the playlist. And so she's all about finances and helping you, empowering you to achieve financial freedom in your life. So all the books that she's reading is on financial freedom. Okay, and I take the personal freedom side because our mission and vision is to empower billions of souls to achieve both personal freedom and financial freedom in their life. Yeah, and one of the ways that we do that is through powerful books that have impacted our lives and many, many others that we can provide that knowledge. So maybe you're not a reader and just read alone, but you like to listen to a voice that you can connect with. Well, that's why we're here, to bring you not only the best, greatest books in our minds and ones that we're interested in and we have implemented and has impacted us, but you can also get the book as well. Do both. That's what we do. I like to have the physical book many times, or if it's on my phone so I can read it and then also listen in. It's a different experience. It's like two different books. So let's dive into the intro, okay? And Karen says, for my children and grandchildren, my prayer is that we keep healing the world and evolving ourselves so that we can better build a world of equitable, just, sustainable, and enduring peace. Can I get an amen? Okay, the contents of this book, okay, there's an introduction. Chapter 1, reading your human design chart. Chapter 2, energy types and strategies. Chapter 3, profiles. Chapter 4, your energy centers. Chapter 5, planets and gates. And then the epilogue, which is putting it all together, acknowledgements, and then the appendix, which is life purpose statement template. And speaking of life purpose, that is something that is also in your human design. Literally, when you were born, okay, you were born for a purpose. And in this design chart that you're going to calculate, your purpose is there. So a lot of people are looking and searching and finding or whatever. You're going to get so much more clarity and understanding of your purpose. Isn't that awesome? Super powerful. All right. So back of the book here. This is what author Karen Curry Parker tells everyone who is new to human design. While knowing your unique human design can help you better understanding things like who you really are, what you are here to do, how you best make decisions, and how you can live in harmony with your authentic self, beginners and advanced practitioners alike can be overwhelmed by the intricacies of this fascinating system. In the Human Design Workbook, a step-by-step guide to understanding your own chart and how it can transform your life, Curry Parker offers you a path to understanding this fascinating system through the most accessible means available, your own human design chart. Through clear explanations of the human design chart, as well as a series of powerful journal prompts and exercises, Curry Parker will show you how human design can open whole new paths for understanding your innate potential and authentic life purpose. Read this book, dive into the rich world of human design, and uncover the means to live the destiny you were meant for from the moment you were born. Karen is a best-selling author of multiple books on human design, including their international bestseller, Understanding Human Design, The New Science of Astrology, Discover Who You Really Are. Her core mission is to help people live the life they were designed to live by discovering who they are, what they are here to do, and how to activate their potential and authentic life path. You can also go and visit her at quantumalignmentsystem.com. quantumalignmentsystem.com. All right, we'll see you in the next video. I'm super excited. Let me know once you've calculated what is your human design. Tell me about what you just searched. And if you already know, let me know as well so we can get connected. I am a 4/6 emotional manifester, and I'm proud to be one. All right. Can't wait to see your human design, connect with you further, and see you in the next video. All right. Take care. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to get notified. Put that bell. Get notified for the future videos because I'm going to be dropping them very consistently here. All right. Take care. Have a beautiful day.